Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to fade in and fade out video in Edit's Instagram app. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So let's create some kind of project. Click the plus sign at the bottom right, select any video clip and add it to the project. Unfortunately, at the moment there is no fade in and fade out function in the Edits application, but we can be creative and realize these functions with the help of the provided tools. Tap on the video clip and scroll the ribbon to the left. We need the Effects button, we select it, and as you can see, among the various effects there are also the fade in and fade out effects we need. But there is a disadvantage here. We cannot apply two effects to the same video clip. Either the fade in or fade out effect is used. Therefore, we will act creatively and simply divide our video clip into parts and apply a different effect to each of the parts of the video clip. So, using the split button, we split the video on the 3rd, 2nd and on the 11th, and now we have the simplest thing left, namely to apply effects to each of the parts of the video clip. We will add a fade-in effect to the first part of the video and a fade-out effect to the third part. That's how we solve the problem in a simple way, and that's it. Now in Ultimo.